this year we had the opportunity to complete a really huge mural project with all of our 5th grade students. The PTA had approached us about painting this huge shipping container that was on our field, and it was ugly and an eyesore, but great for storage. So we started with a theme of showing unity within our school. We have sterling pride, which represents positivity, respect, integrity, determination, and empathy, and we really encourage our students to show those characteristics. So with our 5th grade coming from both sides of our program, we wanted them to come together to collaborate.
What I loved about doing this project was we all got to work together as a team, and that normally doesn't happen because we're all in separate classes, and some of us are upstairs in the hallway, some of us are downstairs, so we're normally separated. But when we came together to do this, there was always at least 2 classes out here, and we got to work with new people and interact with new people.
We chose the quote because it embodies our school, because we are channeling 2 different programs together. And to be one, to be united, is a great thing. It symbolizes that we're one school, that we're united. But to respect the right to be different, is maybe even greater, means that we have many diverse cultures in our school and we have many unique perspectives.
So we really wanted it to be student driven. So we actually picked a quote that talked about being united, but respecting our differences and being even greater because of the differences that unite us.
I was actually a little scared because it was so many different people working together, but I realized that I shouldn't have been scared because no matter if it looked good or it looked bad, it still counts because we did it together as a team.